Hey everybody, Vinny here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today from Don't Eat the Gum. They're a great company that you can get a mystery box from. They probably come in all different price ranges. I chose this time the $50 What's in the Box. And with that, you can pick out any type of horror movie or sci-fi movie you want. This time I chose Alien, Halloween, Poltergeist, An American Werewolf in London, Jaws, and Aliens. Last year I bought a box from them with other horror and sci-fi movies like Nightmare on Elm Street, Fright Night, and I got great stuff. So this time I wanted to do different movies and see what they send me. And they're a great company. This is how it comes. I just blotted out that's my address on there. But that's them. So let's see what's in the box. Just got this today. I ordered it March 7th, so it was pretty good time. So let's see what's in the box. Wow, look at this. I'll open this up in a moment. Whoa, what is this? Now this is pretty sweet. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, that's terrific. Love that xenomorph from Aliens. Wow, that is super cool. By NECA Toys. That is pretty awesome. So far, so good. It's like Christmas morning when you get these boxes. Look at that. Frame picture. David Naughton. That's awesome. Really great picture. Great film. American Werewolf in London. Awesome. Looks like we got a poster here. Let me open this up. Oh, now that's nice. That's a nice print. That is a nice print. Wow. That is awesome. That is super cool. Now let me shut this light off so there we go. You can see it a little bit better. That is really nice print. And here without the light reflecting on it, well, you can see me. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, Twilight Zone comic. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Pretty cool. Love the Twilight Zone. Love it. So that's here. Let's see what's in the bag. Look at that little biohazard bag. Nice. Love that. That is so cool. And you just get a card. I'll open this up later. But it's a nice personalized card you get. So I got a card. This was it's in that bag. Got a lot of cards. Cool. Army of Darkness. Fantastic. And you got a lot of buttons. Oh, nice. For Halloween 2. Jaws. Very nice. Very, very nice. And this is actually their logo. Don't need to go. They're terrific. That's awesome. These are awesome pins. All of them are like this in the back. Here's another set of cards. Oops. Log. What else we got here? All right, Michael Myers scent. Cinnamon scent smell. That's pretty neat. Oh, double-sided. Like a lot. Now my voice is going a little bit. These ones are next to magnets. It's cool. Oh, these are neat. Love it. Love it. Those are pretty cool. Really cool. Oh, there's one more. And you got all these other smaller cards, stickers, and cards. That's nice. Oh. All right, well, that's pretty cool. And you got some of these. Garbage pail. Got a couple more garbage pail. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice one of Wes Craven. Nice. And you also get a lot of candy to go with this. But yeah, it's a nice little haul. Not bad. $50 box. And you get all this stuff. So, yeah, definitely check them out. If you like horror, sci-fi, it's probably my favorite company for a mystery box. So, yeah, I like it a lot. Like it a lot. And a poster, which I really like. But yeah, I highly recommend them. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Thank you so very much for watching.